Let's talk about the thumpers. We've got the standard thumper and the mini thumper. These things will do some thumping, I'll tell you what. These are not just an ordinary generic hammer. Inside both of these heads have like a dead blow action inside there. They're pretty heavy, and that material, as you make contact, the initial contact of the thumper, and then the material inside the thumper comes on to make contact just a moment later, prevents the bounce. That'll give you a good solid contact. And what we're using these for is making grade adjustments and height adjustments during the construction of the fence before concrete sets up, or if you're no digging before you leave for the end of the day, the final adjustment. So the thumper is pretty heavy. It's got an angled handle on it. This allows a standard height person to get that thumper to make flat contact with the top of the protector at 6 foot off of grade, and then have the handle where you can work with it. Okay. This is made to make contact at the top of that protector. The goal is to have good flat contact. We don't want to make contact with the angled head. The energy will be absorbed from the protector. We want almost belly flop onto that protector. We want to smack the top of that protector. Same thing with the mini protector. If you're making adjustments for like no dig aluminum or even dig inside aluminum, sometimes we have to move these posts a little bit. Make good flat contact with the top of the protector. Try not to hit a diagonal, hit it nice and flat. This thumper also has material in it, so when we make that initial contact, that material drops almost a moment later and prevents that bounce. If you're digging and setting wood fence, traditional methods, the same protector would work. We've got multiple protectors for lots of different type of products. But again, this is how this would look about 5.5 foot off the ground. And you would use that thumper to make solid contact, and you would move these posts. Depending on the soil conditions, depending on how you dug and set your hole. I mean, moving the post a 1/2 inch is easy. Typically, that's all you gotta do is make small adjustments if you dug your holes the right depth and owned your hole. I have, in some soil, I've seen us move these posts several inches. Preferably, we'd rather you have them closer than that, but this thumper can get it done. So that's the thumper and the mini thumper.